Hello and welcome. My name is Viktor Tatai and I'm your last host for the last session for the second day of our virtual IBC. My legs are already hurt, the party yesterday was terribly long, and I must say that it's very nice that in this year IBC will not continue on Saturday, but it will continue on Monday, so I will have 2 days at home to get rested and to get rested and then prepare for the next week. But still we have one more very special guest here, and this is ModernTV and Roman Slavik. And hello Roman, how are you?
Hello Victor, thanks for having me. I'm pretty good.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I'm also very nice. I actually thought that this is the last session, and then, you know, at the end of the day, we usually have a little booth party. So that's why I also prepared a little bit with the original beer from Amsterdam. And now I will try to show you how someone should do it in Amsterdam. Like, no, sir, no. Wants to have something, sir? Yes, I want to have a beer. Okay, that's very nice. So, and these always go full, right? Like this one, and then they do this. I don't know why. Right? This is the beer. How they do it? Yep. Sorry. First time, take some. Very nice pretzel. A bit of carrot. Okay, I don't put it back because I'm a cultural person. And, right.
Cheers.
Right. Yeah, so Amsterdam beer usually go down very quick. This is what happened yet. As well. So we already have the party, but then came a customer who wants to know better about ModernTV because they have a little community. They cover as an internet provider a town, and now they are interested on something what we have. I know that IBC did not take place in person, but let's play around a little bit with this situation. So if you need to explain in short what ModernTV is and what do you offer, then what would you say?
Well, thanks for the question. ModernTV is a developer of end-to-end IPTV OTT solution. So we are able to provide to our customers full solution with no extra workaround needed. So there is no needed to do some integrations and so on. You can basically use our solution as a plug and play. And we are providing everything from transcoding up to front-end application with all the management tools as well. So you're going to get everything from one vendor, and everything is in-house developed. So we are not using any third-party parts of the solution.
So all from one hand, that's good to hear. And I think that the CEO is already bought the idea, but of course we have the IT guy there as well. And then, yes, but could you explain the system in details? So I want to see these codes and then the different boxes, how they connected together. You do everything yourself, right? Right. You do everything yourself. So I guess you have full control over it. So could you please explain how it is set up? And I'm having a cucumber sandwich then.
Yeah, definitely. We will dive a bit into the solution. So basically, we're going to get the transcoding. We just need to get the IP stream of the video. Could be the VOD or could be a channel. After we get that stream or file, we transcode it. In our solution, you can choose multiple profiles. you can predefine. There are no predefined profiles. You can make your own, and you can create profiles according to resolution, bitrate, frame per second, as well as codecs. After you will set this up, and you can create as well the templates, so you can just apply to different channels. After you are done with that, there is video packaging, so you can basically share the streams and video files via internet. We are supporting HLS and Dash as a video packaging protocols to send over internet. Then there is a distributed storage, where you are able to store all the files for Timeshift or your VOD library. And then there is a distributed origin together with distributed CDN network. We have a software solution, so you can deploy this CDN network to different CDN, could be your computer, could be your CDN provider. So this is in a nutshell the technical background you need to have for providing the TV channel. Of course, you need to have a front end as well. So you need a front end application so your users can see the streams, see the video, and the content. So we are providing a couple of the application. Client can choose just some of them or all of them. And we are supporting all the standard and nice one like Android TV, Android Mobile, Apple iOS, Apple TV, LG Smart TV, Samsung Smart TV, but of course also Roku TV or Amazon Fire TV sticks. So
I see. So
for all of these,
yeah, sorry. I think we already seen that on the screen, and I'm pretty sure that the contingent have a marketing lady who's now very interested in what exactly the customer will see. So until I take a carrot, could you please explain the different user interfaces for the different platforms? Because that's one of the strongest point, I think, what we have from ModernTV.
Yeah, definitely. So what we are trying to achieve is some continuity between all the platforms. So when the user is going from their own TV to mobile or tablet, they should have the same experience within all the applications. Even there are some differences in the layout or how you can view it. We are going in the content first approach. So when you start our application, you will see content no matter on what channel it is. Of course, when there is a provider who wants to put just TV channels on the front page, it is also possible. But people likes more when they just play the TV and they see what they can watch on. Then there is of course standard EPG, as you know from all the televisions, so you can scroll through the EPG as you are used to, and you don't need to choose according to pictures and descriptions. So this is pretty solid ecosystem. And one of the best things is, for example, continue watching. The continue watching feature is enabling the user when he's leaving from home, watching, for example, some football match on a TV, just continuously move from the TV to the mobile with no interruption. You just press one button. So these are features of front-end application, and there are much more. We would be there until the late evening to give you an overview of all.
Yeah, right. That's true. But at the end, we need to be kicked off from the booth, right? So we need to go. We need to go to the first steakhouse, right? Very soon. And but we still need to answer some questions because our IT guy came back, and now together with the CFO, they're trying to get some impression of how the administration workflow looks like and how the administration is taken care of by your system. So what about this part? What could be our answer?
Well, we have two kinds of administration. One is for such power users who can basically play with everything. In the administration, you can set different things from setting up transcoding to setting up users, setting up your TV packages or VOD packages, and you can play around with different features. I don't want to name all of them. So this is basically the home of super admins. Then there is, of course, some like standard administration as well, which is called partner administration, which is great for managing, for example, users, their subscription, their packages, and so on, from the perspective of some call center guy, for example.
Okay, so our CEO is having, our CEO is now having the second beer. And he lost a little bit the explanation. He sees that the colleagues are already more or less in, but then this question came up that okay, Roman, I understand all of this, but why you? Why not those guys there or those ones there? It's just 10 meters. I go to the next booth, and then what can I get from you? What I cannot get from them?
This is pretty frequent question, and we have some unique selling points as well. First of all, it's the uniqueness of our solution is that is in-house developed. So we are granting the service level agreement together with our solution. And when something happens, you always know who is responsible, because when you are putting solutions together from different vendors, there is always like a hard time to find out who is responsible for what. So this is first thing. Then we are pretty advanced in different things, and we are setting some trends within the industry. One of them is DAI, which is dynamic ad insertion. It is a topic within the industry right now, and we are enabling our customers to ingest advertisement. We are granting them possibility to change one advertisement block for another, and the ultimate goal is to provide the system with who will be targeting the advertisement to exact client, as you know from YouTube and other web-based platforms. That's one thing. Another one is subtitles, because we are providing our platform worldwide, and in some countries, mostly in Latin America or Asia, they are looking for platform with enabling having more subtitle tracks. And normally you get a subtitle as a bitmap, and you need to burn it into the image when doing transcoding, or you need to send it together with the video stream, and it is hard to change the subtitles. We have a recognition software who is recognizing the characters within the bitmap and moving them or creating a text from them. So with our solution, you can, for example, send just multiple subtitle tracks together with video, and the end user can just switch the language according to their needs. Of course, the source video needs to provide these subtitles. And such things are the ones who are unique.
These are beautiful, because I'm an expat here, and I have the whole family requires a normal subtitle, because we don't speak the language, and whatever. So thank you. I think I'm all in. I like it. But you guys think that you might did it for yourself or for a long time. And have you done anything interesting recently? This is a test question of how much you are engaged in development. So what's the new? What is new?
We are very well engaged in the development because more than half of our company are developers on full time. And recently we came with profiles. Most of the customers or potential customers knows them from the Netflix, for example. So with the profiles, there is new feature that every member of the family can have their own profile. They can set basically the profile itself, and when they go into the profile, they have their own recommendation, their own continue watching, their favorite channels.
But tell me, I can be different rather than an ice cream only, right? I can be Darth Vader if I want. Beautiful.
Yeah, you can. There is a just generic ice cream at the moment, but every provider can use their own set of icons, so it is easily loaded into the application.
That's beautiful, because
And
I'm a
here you can
responsible
see.
father, and I want to be Darth Vader. Yeah, right. The best father on the world. After Papa Pig, I must say.
Cool.
Sorry, go on,
And
go on. Wherever you you were on
here
the
you can
profile,
see
right?
favorite channels, and these favorite channels are unique to every profile. Basically, it means that your whole family can have one account, but they can have different setup. And we also are providing recommendation engine, so also all the recommended movies or shows will be different on each profile. So on a children profiles, there will be like children movies. On the father profiles, there will be like these kind of Star Wars and football matches and so on. So this is pretty big news.
Right.
And we
So,
will be deploying this at all our foreign installation pretty soon.
so the world famous Modern TV recommendation engine is now available per profile, if I understand correctly.
Exactly.
Ah, cool. But what if I have a mobile device and I want you
It is the same. It is the same for all devices. The profiles are available on the smart TVs, on the website, as well as on all mobile applications. So you can seamlessly go from one device to another, and you're gonna pick your profile on every device you are using.
and yeah, we lost him. Too much
I can
beer.
hear you.
Ah, you can hear me. Oh, I thought that was too much beer, and then we lost you. But no, you're still there. That's beautiful. So, what
I'm
was about
still
the
here.
mobile? What was about the second screen? How you started to explain, but I haven't understood.
No worries. For the mobile, it is the same. You're gonna have profile on all the mobile devices, so you can seamlessly go from one device to another. And on every device, no matter if it's smart TV, mobile phone, or tablet, you're gonna have your own profile. You just click on it, and you are on your environment with your recommendations, favorite movies, and so on.
Oh, that's cool. That's nice. So, are those already implemented by some customers? You know, I don't want to be the first one, right? Who tries it? Is it implemented?
We are implementing.
Oh, you are implementing it. That's beautiful. So, how was your last year? Was it successful? Have you sold a lot? Have you installed a lot? Is there anything interesting?
I would say yes. It was kind of hard with COVID and all the travel bans and not possibility to meeting people in the first half of the year. But last couple of months we were able to travel a bit. We did some conferences in Spain. We did some visits of our customers on Balkans or in Latin America. So I would say it was pretty successful. On top of that, we signed new customers. We have a new big customer in Peru, for example, but also we have a first customer in Spain, for example. So from my perspective, it was a successful year. We did a really great job when speaking about the whole team, and I believe the next year will be even better.
Yeah, I hope so. And let me ask this question: What is mainly the reason why they choose you against others? I guess one is that you yourself, your nice appearance and knowledge. Guess the software as well. But what would you highlight? So, for example, these guys in Peru, or
I would say it is about everything. It is about the product. It is about the team who is behind. I think one of the crucial things is technical support from our side. As we are providing 24/7 technical support from our headquarters. This is something customers really like. And then it is like quality for the price our customer get, and the appearances and UI and UX of our applications, that it is for the users, end users, meaning subscribers, it is very well optimized. It is really adaptive to them. So these are the reasons, I would say.
Yeah, but you're lucky because your system was made in action and ready for action still. So I wish you a very nice next year, and I hope it will continue. I mean, your success story will continue, and our success story together will continue. And yeah, I wish you all the best. And next week we will see each other in personal meetings, I guess, with customers, and also with the demo days. So have a nice weekend, and thank you very much, Roman, to be with us.
Thanks a lot for having me. Have a great weekend and enjoy the party at your studio.
Oh yes, thank you very much. I take another cucumber sandwich. Whoa. Yeah, maybe I need a beer. Thank you very much, and goodbye.
Thank you, and goodbye.
And dear viewers, thank you very much for your attendance. That was Modern TV with Roman Slavic, and we wish you a very happy weekend. I guess this is the first time when we have a weekend at IBC, and next week we wait you for with personal meetings and of course demos. So deep dive and personal meetings, that will be the next week. I was Victor Tatai. That was the end of the week. I can say cheers from semi pseudo Amsterdam. Bye bye.